Come to my channel. So coming to this second question, a particle starts from rest with uniform acceleration 3 meter per second square. So if I take given data, initial velocity given, initial velocity u equal to 0 because of starting from rest position, and acceleration a equal to 3 meter per second square. Acceleration a 3 meter per second square. Now question is ratio of distance travelled by body in 5 seconds to 5th second. Distance travelled in 5 seconds and distance travelled in 5th second. So distance travelled by body, distance travelled in 5 seconds. We can use this S equal to ut plus half at square formula. Now distance travelled in 5 seconds, S equal to initial velocity given 0, 0 plus 1 by 2 into acceleration is 3 into t square value 25. This 5 square is 25. So this total 75 divided by 2 meters. Now coming to distance travelled in 5th second. So here I can use another formula. Distance travelled in 5th second. Distance travelled in 5th second. So distance travelled by body in nth second formula, u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1, nth formula. So now if I substitute given data, again initial velocity 0, acceleration is given 3 meter per second square. So 3 divided by 2 into 2 into this n value here 5th second. So 2 into 5 minus 1. So finally we are going to get 3 divided by 2 into 10 minus 1, 9. So this is now 27 divided by 2 meters. So actual question is distance travelled in 5 seconds to 5th second. That means S divided by S nth. So therefore S divided by S nth, S divided by S nth is equal to 75 divided by 2 whole divided by 27 divided by 2. Now you can cancel this by 2 by 2. Now 75 divided by 27. So this is the answer. Good. So now if I take another question, even this question also again question from motion chapter. So in this question, average velocity of a body moving with uniform acceleration after travelling a distance of 1.5 meter is 0.25 meter per second. So average velocity is given 0.25 meter per second and distance travelled by body is given 0.15 meter per second. If the change in velocity of body is 0.4 meter per second during this time, it's uniform acceleration. So in this question we are going to find uniform acceleration. If I take given data, first thing, so distance travelled is 1.5 meter and average velocity is given 0.25 meter per second. So average velocity is equal to 0.25 meter per second and distance travelled, distance is equal to 1.50 meter. So this is here average velocity and total distance. So with help of average velocity and total distance we can calculate time taken. So average velocity formula I can use, V average is equal to average velocity equal to total displacement divided by total time taken. So if you are writing average speed, you can say total distance divided by total time taken. So this is total time. So now this total displacement or total distance value we can take as 1.50 divided by this time value we are going to find. So this average velocity I can write here 0.25 which is equal to 1.50 divided by t. Now if I take cross multiplication, t equal to 1.5 over 0.25. So multiply with 100 and divide with 100. After multiplication, you will be getting 150 divided by 25. So 150 divided by 25, which is equal to 6 seconds. So time taken is equal to 6 seconds. Now we are concentrating on this acceleration value. So that too uniform acceleration. If change in velocity of body is 0.54 meter per second during that time. So now uniform acceleration. You know acceleration formula. Acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. Change in velocity divided by time taken. So given change in velocity value here 0.54 meter per second. So I can write that 0.54 meter per second divided by time taken. Just now we calculated 6 seconds. So now this acceleration value, if I multiply with 100, 0.54 into 100 divided by 6 into 100. So this is now 54 divided by 600. So that means 0.09 meter divided by second square. So this is the answer. Hope all of you understood. So if you are finding difficulty, or if you want any suggestions, you can give comment. Thank you.